Welcome to WebStarBrush. In this video, I will show you how to set pronoun for Instagram correctly. Pronouns are words that replace a person's name when referring to them. For example, he, him for a man, she, her for a woman, they, them for gender neutral, or for someone who prefers these pronouns. And so we can use these like John is a developer. He creates websites. Sarah is a designer. She makes logos. Alex is a creator. They upload videos, and so on. So now how to add pronoun on Instagram? To do that, open Instagram app, go to your profile, tap edit profile button, tap pronouns, search for and select your pronouns. You can add up to 4. Search he or she and select. For example, tap here and type he. Select he. Type him and then you can select him. So these are 2 pronouns. Similarly, you can search she and select she, or they, them, z, or HIR, and so on. After you have added pronouns, tap Done button, and you will see these on your profile. Let's click Edit Profile again, and you can see these in Pronouns section as well. You can also choose whether to show them only to your followers. Okay, so what pronouns should a business use? Generally, businesses do not need pronouns because a business is not a person, it's an entity. If you are using a personal brand, for example, your own name or face is the brand, use your own pronouns like he, him. So if it's a company or business account, it's usually best to leave the pronouns field blank. Businesses are typically referred to by their name rather than personal pronouns. But this is how you can set pronoun for Instagram correctly. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.